Hey y'all, I just wanted to take this time to thank everybody who's been supporting my channel during my absence. I know I said I was going to be dropping videos. I know I said I was going to be tightening up, but like, y'all, life is real.
Coronavirus!
I felt like I had to say something though. Stay tuned for these videos. Just know that I ain't been over here just chilling or whatever. Sis be trying. It don't look like it, but sis be trying. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy the video.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all, I will be removing my distressed faux locks. I kept them in for about 3-4 weeks, and yeah, they looking pretty rough. I have not been taking care of them at all. Like, I have not tied my hair down. I have not done anything to take care of them, so don't mind how crazy they look. And I ended up having to cut them because I was having headaches, so that like took some of the ache from my head, I guess. But anyways, here's my new growth, and I'm just showing you what all the parts looking like. I didn't really grease my hair at all. I think I did like 2 or 3 times. Y'all, I'm bad with maintaining hairstyles, so I'm gonna just tell y'all the truth. Like, I wish I could take care of something so I could show y'all what it's really supposed to look like, but hey, it's me we talk about. Alright, so to remove these locks is super simple. All you really need is a comb and scissors. And I'm going to start by cutting underneath where my hair ends. And my hair's not too long, so I can cut pretty high. Now once I cut it, then I pull the spring twist hair down from the lock, and I pull my natural hair from outside of the lock, and I cut the spring twist hair and the Marley hair that's hanging, and I leave my natural hair, of course. Now once that's cut, I just pull the rest of the hair loose, and it leaves my natural hair. Simple. Now I'm just gonna take a few more loops on camera. So that pretty much sums up this video. Another big shout out to Yoko Yako and Amazon Hair Company for sending me the 1B spring twist hair. I will be answering the questions from the install video very soon. I was thinking about doing a Q&A video, or I'll just answer them back in the comments. There's so many comments that I need to catch up on. But I will, and I promise y'all, things gonna change. Things are gonna change, all right? Thanks so much for watching this video today, guys. Thanks for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.
Me I beg you, me beg I dem Father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.